Chapter 6 of Think and Grow Rich. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Napoleon Hill explores the crucial role of imagination in the process of achieving success. Here's an explanation of the key points from this chapter. 1. Definition of imagination. Hill defines imagination as the faculty of the mind that allows individuals to form mental images, ideas, and concepts that are not directly perceived through the senses. It is the creative force that enables people to envision possibilities beyond their current circumstances. 2. Creative visualization. The chapter emphasizes the power of creative visualization as a tool for translating desires into reality. Hill suggests that individuals can use their imagination to vividly picture the achievement of their goals, creating a mental image that serves as a blueprint for success. 3. Imagination and definite purpose. Hill connects imagination to the concept of a definite purpose or goal. He argues that a clear and specific objective activates the creative powers of the mind, allowing individuals to use their imagination more effectively in working towards that goal. 4. Synthetic and creative imagination. Hill introduces the concepts of synthetic and creative imagination. Synthetic imagination involves rearranging existing ideas into new combinations. Creative imagination involves tapping into an infinite source of ideas to create entirely new concepts and solutions. Both forms of imagination are crucial for innovation and problem solving. 5. Overcoming challenges. Imagination is presented as a means of overcoming obstacles and challenges. Hill suggests that by creatively envisioning solutions and possibilities, individuals can find innovative ways to navigate difficulties and move closer to their goals. 6. Imagination and faith. Hill links imagination to the concept of faith, stating that the ability to imagine success fosters a strong belief in the attainment of one's goals. Imagination, when coupled with faith, becomes a potent force that propels individuals towards their objectives. 7. Children's imagination. Hill highlights the uninhibited imagination of children as an example of the power of creative thinking. He suggests that adults can benefit by rekindling and harnessing their imaginative abilities in a purposeful and directed manner. 8. The role of desire. Imagination is portrayed as closely connected to desire. A burned desire fuels the creative process, providing the energy and motivation needed to imagine and work towards specific goals. In summary, the chapter on imagination underscores the significance of this creative faculty as the workshop of the mind. By harnessing the power of imagination, individuals can visualize and manifest their goals, overcome challenges, and tap into innovative solutions that contribute to their overall success.